Hello, my first graders. How about some teaching time with Miss Tidwell? We haven't had our calendar time in a while, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to scoot out of the way and let's take a look. All right, so today it is Monday. Starts with a capital. Monday, April 20th, 2020. When we were here last week, it was 148 days of school, but today is one more. Remember, plus one is the next number. So 148, we're going to add it in our ones place because it's one more. 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The picture and the number has to match. This shows that we've now been in school for 149 days. Even though you're at home, I'm at home, we're still having our school time, 149 days of school. So remember, when we take a look at the back number, if the back number's even, then the whole number's even. If the back number's odd, then the whole number's odd. Take a look at that 9. Remember, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Those are odd all the time. So 149 is an odd number. And if we take a look here, remember, I can count my tens because in math I'm divine. I can count my tens and I'll start with 9. 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, 99, 109, 119, 129, 139, 149. 149 days of school. So we're going to write that in expanded notation. 149 in expanded notation. So remember, that's when we tell the hundreds plus the tens plus the ones. It's been a while, but remember, that's not 1 plus 4 plus 9. The 1 means it's a group of what? 100. Plus the 4 means it's 4 groups of 10. So it's plus 40. And now we can take a look at the ones. 9 ones. 100 plus 40 plus 9. It equals what? 149. I'm going to write that just a little bit neater. Writing from this side is a little difficult for me, but that's okay. 100 plus 40 plus 9 equals 149. Can we write it in a different way? Remember, commutative property means you can add numbers in any order. The answer stays the same. So how would you write it? Yeah, you could write 40 plus what? Plus 9 plus what? Plus 100. And it still equals what? 149. You got it. I want to talk to you about something really quick that you're going to be doing with your math seesaw assignments for this week. Remember, we just took a look at our calendar and said that we can add numbers in any order. So on your assignment for today, you had what looked like a 100 chart with a lot of empty boxes. And some of the empty boxes also had where you could write your numbers in that were going down, 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 down. Like if this said 42. If this had 42, it doesn't mean that you're going to write 40, 41, 42, 43. It means, think about in your number chart here, if you had 42, you're writing by tens to finish up. So I would say 22, 32, 42, 52. I'm still trying to write upside down. I think another one that you had was with the number, maybe it was 104. 104. That doesn't mean you're going to say 103, 104, 105. If it's 104, then that means you're in the 4 row. So think about what numbers would come up, 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 and down, 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 down. So if I go up a group of 10, that would be 94, 104, 114. So we're adding numbers into a number grid when you know the pattern of a number. That's in your assignments for this week, using a number grid like this to find the patterns like this. So if you had one here that said 30, you wouldn't write 29, 30, 31. You would keep looking at what's in the tens row. So if this was 30, 10, 20, 30, 40. That's your math assignments for this week. Notice the patterns that's in a number grid and see if you can finish those patterns. So keep that in mind. All right, so what's the weather like? What's the weather like? Who could tell me? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? We haven't looked at our chart, our graph, our table in a while. And remember, all of those things, charts, graphs, tables, they give us what? Data. They give us what? Data. So if we're going to go ahead and write that down. What's the weather? Hello! There's my window. Oh, look at the bright sun coming in. It sure is a windy day. Thank goodness it is not raining. It's a sunny day. So let's go ahead and look right here and we'll add our tally mark. I'm going to put the tally mark, bloop, one more. Will you help me count? Remember, if it looks like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, hi-ya, karate chop. It's a group of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 106. 106 sunny days. Think about all kinds of information, data you can tell just by looking at this. See if you can say out loud 3 things that you know about the weather by reading this chart. I hope you're having a great day. Know that Miss Tidwell misses you so very much. I hope you had a nice spring break too. Hopefully you did something really fun. I went to the not the pumpkin patch. I went to the strawberry patch with my family. We picked fresh strawberries. They were so good. And then we went on a little trail and we got to see alligator. It was huge, but it was behind this big fence and it was in a pond and we just kind of watched it swim around. It was kind of interesting. I hope you got to do something fun too. I miss you so much. Oh, one more thing. Look at my hair sticking up right here. Isn't that crazy? All right, lay down here. One more thing I want to share with you that's in your math assignments for this week with Cecil is I'm going to give you some more addition and subtraction practice, fact practice, just so you haven't forgotten how to do those. Remember, you know lots of good strategies for adding and subtracting. I know you know how to count your fingers, but try something else. Use your touch points or draw a picture or just know it. See what kind of things you can do to help yourself. Maybe it's even a related fact, but you're going to see some. Don't forget, watch the signs very carefully. Look for the plus, look for the minus. Make sure you remember plus means biggest number, keep counting. Minus, be like an astronaut, say the biggest number and count backwards. So don't forget what the signs tell you to do. I miss you. I'll see you soon. Bye, awesome kids.